Welcome to Windows 10 Introduction for Beginners to Programming. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, like and subscribe to get more insight in time. Since I'm trying to learning programming by myself with making videos to see my progress, it would be better for those who are like me, who have tried many places to learn programming but have failed. Let's all try this. It's somehow boring because we have not yet bought cameras and best machines for our tutorials, but we hope your subscription and sharing plus likes will help this channel grow big. Thank you. Back to business with Windows 10, a short tutorial by a learner. Windows 10 is a popular operating system developed by Microsoft. As a programmer, it's important to have a basic understanding of Windows, as it's the platform on which many software applications are built. Here are some key concepts and tools that are useful to know when programming for Windows. Windows API. The Windows API, Application Programming Interface, is a set of functions and data structures that programmers can use to interact with the operating system. The API provides a way to access system resources and perform common operations like creating windows, handling input, and managing files. Programming languages. Windows supports a wide range of programming languages, including C, C#, Visual Basic, and Java. Each language has its own set of tools and libraries that can be used to build Windows applications. Integrated Development Environments, IDEs. An IDE is a software application that provides a set of tools to help programmers write, test, and debug code. Windows supports a variety of IDEs, including Visual Studio, Eclipse, and NetBeans. .NET Framework. The .NET Framework is a software platform for building Windows applications. It provides a set of libraries and tools for building and running applications, and supports multiple programming languages. Windows Forms. Windows Forms is a graphical user interface (GUI) framework for building desktop applications on Windows. It provides a set of controls and layout tools for building user interfaces, and supports both Win32 and .NET applications. Universal Windows Platform (UWP). The UWP is a platform for building apps that run on all Windows devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. UWP apps are built using a common set of APIs and can be distributed through the Windows Store. Overall, programming for Windows involves understanding the Windows API, choosing a programming language and IDE, and selecting a graphical user interface framework like Windows Forms or UWP. With these tools, programmers can build a wide range of Windows applications, from simple command line tools to complex desktop and mobile applications. Windows 10 provides a number of built-in tools for working with your computer and disks. Here are some of the basic tasks you can do. Viewing drives and disks. In File Explorer, you can see a list of all drives and disks connected to your computer. This includes internal hard drives, external hard drives, USB drives, and CD, DVD drives. Managing disks and partitions. If you need to partition a disk or manage the partitions on a disk, you can use the built-in Disk Management tool. To open Disk Management, right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. From there, you can create new partitions, format disks, and assign drive letters. Formatting a disk. To format a disk, you can right-click on it in File Explorer and select Format. This will erase all data on the disk and prepare it for use. Managing storage space. Windows 10 has a built-in feature called Storage Spaces that lets you create a storage pool by combining multiple hard drives. To set up storage spaces, go to Settings, select System, select Storage, select Storage Spaces. Checking disk health. If you want to check the health of a disk or diagnose any problems, you can use the built-in Disk Check tool. To run a disk check, open File Explorer, right-click on the disk you want to check, select Properties, and then click the Tools tab. From there, click Check to start the disk check. Creating a backup. Windows 10 has a built-in backup tool called File History. To set up File History, go to Settings, select Update and Security, select Backup and click Add a drive to choose an external drive to back up your files to. These are some of the basic tasks you can do to work with your computer and disks in Windows 10. With these tools, you can manage your storage space, check disk health, and create backups to protect your important files. Windows File Manager or Windows File Explorer. Windows File Manager is a built-in application on Windows 10 that allows you to browse and manage files and folders on your computer. Here's how to use it to locate, save and create folders on your computer. To open File Manager, click the Start button and type File Manager in the search bar. Click on the File Manager app to launch it. To locate a file or folder, you can navigate through the different folders on the left-hand pane or use the search bar at the top to search for a specific file or folder. To create a new folder, select the folder where you want to create the new folder, and then click the New Folder button in the Home tab on the top ribbon. Give your new folder a name and press Enter to create it. To save a file, you can either click on Save or Save as in the application you are using, or use the shortcut Ctrl+S. This will open the Save dialog box, where you can select the folder where you want to save the file and give it a name. If you want to move a file or folder to a different location, you can simply drag and drop it from one location to another within File Manager. If you want to delete a file or folder, simply select it and click the Delete button in the Home tab on the top ribbon, or use the shortcut Ctrl+D. You can also move the file or folder to the Recycle bin by right-clicking and selecting Move to Recycle bin. By using these simple steps, you can use Windows File Manager to manage your files and folders on your Windows 10 to locate, create and save projects during programming with any language compatible with Windows 10. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and wait for the next video.